This is crazy. This shrinkage. Hey guys, my curly family here, and today I wanted to try a quick wash and go experiment. I wanted to try the shingling method on one side of my hair and then use my DENMAN brush on the other side of my hair. So anyways, I just wanted to see what the different pros and cons would be to using each method. So anyways, if you're interested in this quick experiment, just stay tuned. So I don't usually like to part my hair down the middle because for some reason the middle part just doesn't look right to me. So instead of parting it down the middle, I'm gonna come over a little bit to my right. I'm going to use the DENMAN brush on this side, and I'm going to use the shingling method on my right side. I don't have the actual DENMAN brush because I have one in Korea, but I'm in the United States right now and I just didn't bring it home with me, and I wasn't going to buy another one. So I have a knockoff. I think I got this from TJ Maxx for like $3.99. But anyways, we're just going to say it's the DENMAN brush because it looks and feels and works exactly like my DENMAN brush does. So anyways, let's get into this. I'm gonna go through this section with my paddle brush. Anyways, I'm gonna go in smaller sections and I will run my DENMAN brush through those sections. Sometimes I feel like my roots are a little bit undefined. Can you guys see that? But I will be completely honest, this is not taking as long as it does for me to shingle. Y'all, I'm worried about this part right here. Let me add some more product to that because that did not look good. This is this side, the first side, and this side I use my DENMAN brush. Well, not my real DENMAN brush, but knockoff DENMAN brush. So yeah, the curls look really good. So let's start on this side. It seemed really fast, but as you guys can see, I already see one con or one difference, because some people don't care about this, but you can see a huge difference in my length, like major shrinkage already. And if it's like this with my hair wet, we'll see what happens when it's dry. I'm gonna use my paddle brush really quick just to smooth all of the products through my hair. So let she go. So look at this. This is crazy. Like this shrinkage. I don't know how I'm gonna blend these. I shingle. I just smooth the product down the strand. And smooth the product down. Okay, so if you guys can't tell the difference already, then I don't even know what to say. So if you don't care about shrinkage and you just want like extreme definition, then the DENMAN brush might be good for you. For me, I normally like a natural hair look. And by that I mean like my natural pattern. I do like these ringlets sometimes, but sometimes it just looks a little bit too perfect. I kind of like the rough look. Well, not rough look, but you know, like the frizzy, like my hair is doing whatever it wants to do type of look. So I don't know, so far I'll probably go with the shingling side. So yeah, as far as the amount of time that it took to do both sides, honestly, it was probably like the exact same. I think if you're really good with doing your hair, and if you do your hair often like I do, and then it shouldn't be a problem. Maybe the DENMAN brush was a little bit easier on time just because you can just glide through your hair, and with this you actually have to take smaller sections, so this side's probably faster than this side. But anyways, I will let you guys know exactly how I feel once my hair dries. So yeah, just stay tuned. So this was immediately after my hair was dry, and I'll be honest, I hated the DENMAN brush side. Anyways guys, I am back with my results. I wanted to give myself some time just to see if I felt the same way that I did initially about my results, and as you guys can see, and the results are pretty much the same. This side, which is the shingling side, is still so much longer than the DENMAN brush side. I feel like it just depends on what type of look you're going for. For me, the shingling side just looks super natural and effortless. For the DENMAN brush side, I feel like it's like a more polished, put together look. And for me, in my everyday life, I would just prefer to have the effortless, luminous look, which is the shingling side. DENMAN brush, I would use this technique if I had like a special occasion, if I just want to switch up my look a little bit. For the most part, I'm going with the shingling side. What do you guys think? Which side do you think looks better, the shingling side or the DENMAN brush? Anyways, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. I would love to hear your thoughts on which method you guys prefer to use. Anyway, see you guys in my next video.